Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to create an Amazon account in Ghana. This process will give you access to millions of products and allow you to shop from one of the world's largest online marketplaces. Let's jump right into it. First, open your web browser and navigate to Amazon.com. Once the homepage loads, look towards the top right corner of your screen where you'll see the menu bar. Hover your mouse over the option that says Account and Lists. This will reveal a drop-down menu with several options. From this menu, go ahead and select Sign In. You'll now be directed to the login page. Here you'll see a field asking for your mobile number or email address. Enter either one in the designated field and click Continue. This takes you to the next stage of the process. On the following screen, you'll notice an option that says Proceed to create an account. Click on this button to start setting up your new Amazon account. This is where you'll begin entering your personal information. The first thing you need to do is enter your first and last name in the designated fields. Make sure you input your actual name as it will be used for account verification and delivery purposes. Once you've filled that in, move to the next field. Now you'll need to create a password for your account. Enter a strong password that combines letters, numbers, and symbols for better security. After typing it in the first password field, you'll be asked to re-enter the same password in the confirmation field below. This ensures you didn't make any typing errors. Once both password fields are filled, click on Verify Email. Amazon needs to confirm that you have access to the email or phone number you provided earlier. A puzzle will appear on your screen. Solve it and then click Confirm. Amazon will now send you a one-time password or OTP to either the email address or mobile number you provided during registration. Check your inbox or messages for this code. It should arrive within a few moments. Once you receive the OTP, you'll see a field on the screen asking for a 6-digit code. Enter the code exactly as it appears in the message you received. Double check that you've typed it correctly to avoid any errors. After entering the code, click Verify. Amazon will process the information and complete your account setup. And that's it. You've successfully created your Amazon account in Ghana and can now start shopping. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.